See, good afternoon all of you. Today we will see the experiment number 14 and experiment number 14 to study any drug effect observed. The Madratic effect on rabbit cornea. The drug to observe and study the drug effect on Madratic on rabbit cornea. Now see experiment number 14. In the pupils, it's a pupil. The eye movement is controlled by in iris in the pupils by two type of smooth muscles. There are two type of smooth muscles. One is radial muscles. How is radial muscle? Another is circular muscle, is called circular muscle. The pupil size is controlled by two set of muscles which supplied in iris. They are radial muscle and the circular muscle. The radial muscle are innervated by postganglionic. Radial muscle are innervated by postganglionic superior cervical ganglion. In the Madratic, sympathetic nervous system. In the pupil size is controlled by two type of smooth muscles, circular muscle and the radial muscles. And the radial muscle are innervated by or arises by the sympathetic nervous system of the postganglionic cervical ganglion due to stimulation of alpha 1 adrenergic receptor the pupil size is increased and are called as myotics. The example of myotics or mydriasis, atropine, homoatropine, cyclopentolate, phenylephrine, in the matrices is having the its causes. It's a pupil size. It's a pupil. The light goes. Object is it's a pupil. In the matrices causes, object is very far away, but fail to see nearer. This inability is called as cycloplegia. Okay, now it's a principle behind the matritic effect on rabbit cornea. Again, see repeat. In the iris, pupil size is controlled by two type of smooth muscle. One is radial muscle and the circular muscles is controlled in the iris. The radial muscle are innervated by sympathetic nervous system of post-cervical ganglion. Due to the stimulation of alpha adrenergic receptor, which leads to dilate the pupils. It's dilate the pupils, increase the pupil size, are called as miotic or madrisis. The example of madrisis: atropine, homoatropine, cyclopentolate, phenylephrine. Dilate the pupil size. See, the normal size of pupil is 6 mm. After installation of matritic duct, the pupil size goes to the 10 mm, means increase the pupil size or dilate the pupil size is called as miotic. It's a one-line definition, but in examination always ask, you can write down in such a manner. The pupil size controlled by two type of smooth muscle in the iris. In matritic, the radial muscle are innervated by sympathetic nervous system of cervical, post-cervical ganglion, superior cervical ganglion, due to stimulation of alpha adrenergic receptors, which leads to increase the pupil size or dilate the pupil size, are called as miotic. Then write down the example, you will get the 2 marks. Now this is the principle behind, and this is inability in the matritic. Object is very far away, it's very far away, dur, but fail to the see nearer. You can't imagine it. Who is the imagination in the nearer? That inability is called as the cycloplegia. Okay, now the next experiment number 15. To study the experiment number 15, is to study and observe drug effect of miotic on rabbit cornea. Now here is the pupils. The pupils in the iris two muscle control their movement. It's a circular muscle. Circular muscle. It's a radial muscle. It's pupil. Circular muscles are innervated by ciliary ganglion. Nerve 3 which leads to contract the pupils. Pupils should be the size is contracted. Pupil size are contracted is called as miotic. Example of miotic pilocarpine, physostigmine, epinephrine, phenylepinephrine, in the miotic is ability of that it's a pupils light is pass object, it's an object so object is very near but fail to see far away. This inability is called as paralysis of accommodation or spasm of accommodation. This called as a myopic is happen. Okay, see the normal pupil size is in the myotic normal pupil size is 10 mm, 6 mm. After administration the pupil size is the 3 mm. It indicates decrease in the pupil size is called as myotic effect. Are you understand? Okay, now these are the experiment number 15 and 14 principle is explained. Remaining part we see the CD. Okay, thank you. We will see the effect of magnetic and myotic of the rapid eye. You can see the problem in class. Now you can see the effect of quadratic and the myotic on the retina. See the requirements. See the object. To understand the phenomena of mydriasis and the miosis means the difference between the mydriatic and the miosis. Mydriatic is dilate the pupils. Mydriatic is a contract the pupils, and miosis is a dilate the pupils. To understand the phenomena of cyclophagia and the photophagia, to understand the phenomena of paralysis of plasma accommodation. Next, see the requirement. Animal is required rabbit, drug, pilocorpic and cyclopendolate instrument. Rabbit holder, a torch, cotton swab, scissor, cut the lashes, transparent scale and dropper, etc. Now see the theory. The iris, circular color moving the beaks of eye is called the iris. It is present between the cornea and the lens. The pupils is central aperture of the iris. Pupils is regulate amount of light entering inside the eye. The size is controlled by two small smooth muscle fibers, namely circular muscle and the radial muscle. See, in the iris, this is the iris. Between the iris, eye movement is controlled by two muscles, circular muscle and the radial muscles. Parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system regulate the pupil size of the diameter. Circular muscle are innervated by the sympathetic nervous system. The radial muscle innervated by the circular muscle is innervated by the parasympathetic nervous system, and radial muscle innervated by the sympathetic nervous system. See in the bright light, the circular muscle of iris is contracted due to the stimulation of parasympathetic nerves, and pupil size is decreased. In the dim light, the radial muscles of iris is contracted due to the stimulation by sympathetic nerves leads to increase the pupil size, and increase in the pupil size is called as a mydriatic, and decrease in pupil size is a myotic. Here you can see what I can see is the pupils in the normal light. Pupil size is a normal. See the difference between the bright light and the dim light. For the dim light, the pupil size is caused as a miosis, and the bright light pupil size should be the decrease is called as a myotic. And then you can see the circular muscle is innervated by ciliary ganglion by the parasympathetic nervous system. Due to the stimulation of ciliary ganglion nerves, circular muscle are contracted and the pupil size should be the dilated. Is called as a miosis. Is happening in the bright light. Okay. See the compared to the pupil size. Then next, radial muscle innervated by the sympathetic nervous system, and pupil size is dilated due to the stimulation of alpha adrenergic receptor. Pupil size should be the decrease. That should be happen in the bright light. In the dim light, pupil size should be the dilated. For example, dim light, something is lost, light is gone. You require, you can find out. You have find out that see the big pupil should be the automatically dilated. You can search such things. Next. See the cyclophagia. Object is very far away, but when you see the nearer, that is called as the cyclophagia. A drug which increase the pupil size are called mydriatic because of mydriasis. On an individual can see the object which are far away, but fail to observe object are nearer. This inability is called as cyclophagia. Because of cyclophagia, a person fail to respond to bright light. This inability to respond to bright light is called as photophobia. The drug which decrease the pupil size is called as a myotic because of the myosis is an individual can see the object which are nearer but fail to observe which are very far away. This inability is called as paralysis of accommodation or plasm of accommodation. See this diagram always asked in the academic examination. Write down your conclusions. As per the diagram, you can see object is very far away, but fail to see nearer. This inability is called as cycloplegia. An object is very nearer, but fail to see far away. This is called as plasm of accommodation or paralysis of accommodation. Next, how to check? Next is the procedure. How to check their corneal reflection after installation of drug. See the corneal reflection, rabbit, put out the rabbit holder. Good. Next step, next observation. See. Procedure, start later. See the rabbit put on the rabbit holder. See that the eye should be the blinking now just. Then the right eye should be the blinking. Then eyelashes should be the cut for. Because with administration of drug can be accumulating the eye. Such here, they accumulate. If you kept in the rabbit kept in the rabbit holder, the eyelashes is cut. For interference of drug is not interfered directly with the eye. That's why the lashes is this lash. Check the corneal reflection or right reflection by using the right eye. You can torch, see the blinking of the eye. See, bottom thread is here, it should be blinking of the eye. That is called the corneal reflection to the positive. When torch you can use, goes in line with the pupils, they can close the eye. Blink cornea is closed, that is the blinking of the eye. Okay. Now administration of drug. See the torch. It's going to be pulls. This automatically is closed. Now how to measure? Start from scale to measure this size. Use the scale and measure the pupils which directly from there. You can measure it randomly in mm, which should be given the part with the mm. This scale mm, how much is there you can calculate it. Now see the administration of drug is C. That's why the eyelashes is cut. The drug is accumulated, drug is not entered in the eye. Close the eye, open it and check the corneal reflections. See the observation table. The PO marking is a magnetic. Pupil size initially is 5 mm. Corneal reflection show positive. After administration of drug, right reflection show positive. After 15 minutes, pupil size is decreased. Normal pupil size is 5, which should be the 4. Corneal reflection show positive, light reflection show positive. After 30 minutes, pupil size is compared to normal is decreased 3 mm. Corneal reflection positive and light reflection is positive. It's happened in the magnetic. The observation should be in the magnetic. Now see the next observation is in the myotic. Now it means that the drug below carping is myotic and does not. Next. See that the lashes by the is 6-7 normal. After administration of the check the whole lifetime order introduction. Measure the critical mark scale. Normal breathing size is 7 formally infection by infection positive 0 medication. After 15 minutes breathing size is increased. After 30 minutes breathing size increase, we can see the parasympathetic blood which cause the myoses, which are the sympathetic blood of anticholinergic blood show the magnetic effect. It's called the magnetic effect. Random observation. We show the magnetic effect and we show the meiosis effect. Next, drug affect the radial and circular muscle fiber of iris, thus produce the magnetic meiosis. Drug contract ciliary muscle fiber and increase the lens diameter, which produce hyperphagia or photophobia. Magnetic cause hyperphagia, producing the photophobia, and meiosis produces plasmacytosis of accumulation or plasma accumulations. What do you mean?